Begin by sitting in a comfortable position, letting your feet be planted firmly on the floor, legs uncrossed. Letting your hands rest comfortably in your lap, spine tall and proud, and eyes softly closed. Begin to focus on your breathing. For now, not trying to judge it or change it, just being aware of it. Mindfulness is the art of being present and aware without judgment. Let's begin that practice with your breath, tuning in to any sensations it gives you. Noticing the muscles that you engage. And as you focus on your breath, if other thoughts start to come in, that's okay. Just be aware of them without judging them. Our goal is that we are observing without getting hung up on anything, without judging anything. Just truly being aware, noticing. You may begin to feel your body, feeling the weight of gravity, the points of contact between you and the surface on which you are resting. You may even find that you feel your skin and the air on your skin. You simply become aware of sensations occurring in your body and on your body. Noticing what muscles you are currently using. And if possible, intentionally, let your belly be loose. If you've been holding it in tense, let it expand, especially as you breathe in. And then become aware of the sensations involved in that. You can even experiment taking deeper breaths, stomach and ribcage fully expanding as you breathe in and contracting as you breathe out. And just staying present with whatever comes up for you as you do that. Just noticing whatever sensations occur. You also begin to notice any emotions that you're feeling, again without judgment, just letting it be. And because you are so present in your body right now, you may even notice how the emotions affect your physical body. You may even notice almost like an absence of emotion, a simple calm. Whatever is. And you're simply letting it be, being aware, observing without altering or judging. You extend this same practice towards any thoughts. And as you let whatever is simply be, you feel yourself fully aware of your body, your mind, and your emotions. Being mindful of what is, while letting it be. And now you can practice this skill with any topic you wish. You can intentionally bring to mind a situation in your life. Become aware of all sides of it without attaching judgment, blame, labels. Just observing it, seeing it as it is, witnessing it as it is, while you remain in this calm, centered state of being. It all just is. You may even notice not only do thoughts come up when you think about whatever it is you brought to mind, but also your body may have a reaction of some kind. And so may your emotions. Just let it all be. As you stay present with whatever is. Without judging or getting attached. Very good. You can use this skill in any aspect of your life to simply be aware of it without getting attached or hung up. Just letting it be and noticing that you can remain calm in that. Take this calm, centered feeling with you as you slowly begin to roll your shoulders, wiggle your fingers and your toes, and whenever you're ready, open your eyes back to the room around you.